Welcome back to Healthsabram, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. In today's video, we're excited to share 20 mouthwatering and nutritious snack and meal ideas that will fuel your body and support your healthy lifestyle. Whether you're in need of quick and easy snacks or wholesome meal options, we've got you covered. Join us as we dive into these delicious recipes, packed with essential nutrients to keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Get ready to discover a range of flavors and textures that will nourish both your body and soul. Let's get started. Snack ideas. 1. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Start with a base of creamy Greek yogurt and layer it with fresh berries and crunchy granola for a protein-packed and fiber-rich snack. The combination of tangy yogurt, sweet berries, and satisfying crunch will leave you wanting more. 2. Veggie Sticks with Hummus. Indulge in a colorful medley of carrot, cucumber, and bell pepper sticks alongside a generous serving of homemade hummus. This refreshing and crunchy snack provides a perfect balance of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. 3. Apple slices with almond butter. Slice up a crisp apple and pair it with a dollop of creamy almond butter. The natural sweetness of the apple combined with the rich nuttiness of almond butter creates a delightful and satiating snack. 4. Homemade trail mix. Create your own custom blend of nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Mix together almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, and dark chocolate chips for a trail mix that's packed with antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. 5. Rice cakes with avocado. Spread mashed avocado on a rice cake and sprinkle it with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. This light and savory snack is a great source of healthy monounsaturated fats and will keep you feeling satisfied. Light meals. 1. Quinoa Salad. Combine cooked quinoa with a colorful assortment of chopped vegetables such as cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and fresh herbs. Drizzle with a tangy lemon vinaigrette to create a refreshing and nutrient-dense salad that's rich in fiber and plant-based protein. 2. Veggie Wrap. Load up a whole grain wrap with a variety of mixed greens, thinly sliced vegetables, creamy hummus, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This wholesome wrap offers a perfect balance of carbohydrates, fiber, and plant-based proteins. 3. Lentil Soup. Simmer a hearty soup made with lentils, mixed vegetables, aromatic herbs, and spices. This nourishing bowl of goodness is a fantastic source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. 4. Baked sweet potato with chickpeas. Top a baked sweet potato with a flavorful mixture of cooked chickpeas, Greek yogurt, and a sprinkle of herbs like cilantro or parsley. This filling and nutritious meal combines the natural sweetness of sweet potato with the satisfying texture of chickpeas. 5. Quinoa Bowl. Create a well-rounded bowl by combining cooked quinoa, roasted vegetables of your choice, grilled chicken or tofu, and a tangy dressing. This versatile meal is a great way to incorporate a variety of nutrients and flavors into your diet. Energy-boosting snacks. 1. Energy balls. Whip up a batch of homemade energy balls using a blend of dates, nuts, such as almonds or cashews, and your favorite superfood ingredients like chia seeds or cacao nibs. These bite-sized treats are packed with natural sweetness, healthy fats, and energy-boosting nutrients. 2. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Enjoy a satisfying combination of creamy Greek yogurt, a handful of fresh berries, and a sprinkle of nuts. This snack provides a balanced mix of protein, antioxidants, and heart-healthy fats. 3. Smoothie Bowl. Blend frozen fruits, such as berries or tropical fruits, leafy greens like spinach or kale, and a liquid of your choice, such as almond milk or coconut water. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top it with nutritious add-ons like granola, coconut flakes, and fresh fruit slices for a refreshing and vibrant snack. 4. Chia Pudding. Soak chia seeds in your favorite plant-based milk overnight to create a creamy and nutritious pudding. Top it with a variety of fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals. 5. Roasted chickpeas. Toss cooked chickpeas with olive oil, sprinkle them with spices like paprika or cumin, and roast them in the oven until crispy. These protein-rich and fiber-packed crunchy bites make for a satisfying and guilt-free snack. Quick and nutritious meals. 1. Stir-fried veggies with tofu. Heat a skillet or wok, add a colorful assortment of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas, and stir-fry them with tofu cubes. Season with a flavorful sauce made from soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a touch of honey. This quick and nutritious meal provides a balanced combination of protein, vitamins, and minerals. 2. Grilled chicken or fish with quinoa and roasted vegetables. Grill lean proteins like chicken or fish seasoned with herbs and spices. Serve them alongside cooked quinoa and a medley of roasted vegetables such as carrots, zucchini, and Brussels sprouts. This well-rounded meal is rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. 3. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Spiralize zucchini into noodle-like strands, lightly sauté them, and toss them with a homemade pesto sauce made from fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, or nutritional yeast for a vegan option, and olive oil. This low-carb and flavorful meal is abundant in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. 4. Mediterranean salad. Create a vibrant salad by combining a bed of mixed greens with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, Kalamata olives, crumbled feta cheese, and a zesty lemon herb dressing. This refreshing and nutrient-dense salad is packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and a burst of Mediterranean flavors. 5. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli and brown rice. Season salmon fillets with herbs and lemon zest, then bake them until flaky and tender. Serve alongside steamed broccoli and cooked brown rice for a protein-rich and fiber-packed meal. This combination provides omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and complex carbohydrates. We hope these 20 healthy snacks and meal ideas have inspired you to embark on a journey of delicious and nourishing eating. Remember, adopting a balanced and mindful approach to your diet can have a transformative effect on your overall well-being. Feel free to customize these recipes according to your preferences and dietary needs. Stay tuned for more valuable content on Healthsabram, where we continue to share insights and strategies for living a vibrant and healthy life. Now, it's time to enjoy these mouth-watering snacks and meals that will support your journey towards optimal health. Take care, stay well nourished, and until next time.